Now let's add some image icons to the buttons which we have up over here for the edit and delete. So in order to get those images which could be used as button icons, you simply go to Google, search for icon finder, go to iconfinder.com, and here you could search for the different icons which you want. So if I search for edit here, and if I go on free, I should be able to get all the icons which are free. And out of this, we are going to, let's say, select this one. So I'll select this, download this particular icon. And once that is downloaded, now I could go ahead, take the icon which is actually present in that particular folder, and we have to paste it up in VS Code inside the static folder. So inside static and inside my app, let's create another folder called as images. And now let me get that particular icon which we have just copied from here. So let's get that and let's drag it from here and let's drop it right inside the images. So as you can see, we have the edit icon over here. Now similarly, let's also go ahead and download an icon for delete as well. So I would search for delete and you'll get a bunch of icons in here. So out of delete, let's say I want to choose this one. So let's choose this icon. Let's download this in PNG. Once it is downloaded, I could again open up VS Code, open this icon up, drag it, drop it right up over here. And now let's rename these particular icons to edit and delete. So I'll rename this one to edit. So this becomes edit.png, and let's rename this thing to delete. Okay. So once we have these two icons, let's add them up over here for the edit as well as delete. So the edit here is nothing but it's an ahref. So what we could do is that inside this ahref tag, instead of saying edit, I want to add an image tag. So I would say image source. And as this is actually present in the static directory, I would say static. And it's present in the my app folder. So my app /images/ the name of the image is edit.png. Now if I add that and if I go back to the browser, go back to the app, hit refresh, or let's visit this page. Now you get an error because right now we are using static tag, but we also need to load static as well. So right here at the top, I would simply say load static. Let's see if that works. So if I hit refresh, as you can see, we have that edit icon added up over here. Now the size of this edit icon is quite a lot. So let's fix that by going inside that image source, and let's set a class for this one. And let's say the height of this thing is going to be 5. Now if I hit refresh, as you can see, now the icon becomes small. Let's do that with the delete button as well. So for the delete button, we have the button here. So right inside the button, instead of delete, I would again say image, and the source is going to be the same one as this one, except for the image name. So let's copy this one. Let's paste the source here. Change this thing to delete.png. Let's also set in the height to 5. So h5. If I now go back, hit refresh, as you can see, now we have icons for both of these. So this is how you could go ahead and add these icons up over here. So once these icons are added, in the next lecture, let's go ahead and let's actually fix the alignments and also add some styling to the entire web page. So let's do that in the next one.